Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, you guys, how to make my famous spaghetti with meat sauce. Alright, so stay tuned in and let's go ahead and do this stuff. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, we have some ground chuck right here in this pot. Alright, I got 2.5 pounds of ground chuck in there. Alright, so we're going to put some salt in there. This is going to be like a tablespoon. This is pink sea salt, Himalaya. Alright, that's enough of that. We're going to come in here with a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Alright. Granulated onion. Tablespoon of that. Alright. Now, we got some black pepper. We're going to cover with a tablespoon of that. I love black pepper, you already know. Now, where my other stuff at? This is Italian seasoning right here. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of that. Alright, that's it. Alright, so that's the meat right there. You got 4 cloves of garlic right here. I got 4 red little mini bell peppers right here. And I have 1 green bell pepper right here. And debating if I'm going to use this onion. I don't think I'm going to use this onion. I'll probably take some green onion. But you guys can use that onion, okay? So I want you to put the onion in your dish, okay? Alright. This is just Parmesan cheese we're going to put on top of it. This is a pound of thick spaghetti right here. This is some spaghetti seasons right here, packaged by McCormick. When it want to. Here, I got a can of let me see how many ounces this is. This is 1 pound and 13 ounces right here. Alright. And I have 2 of these 16 ounce, or these are 14.5 ounces of stewed tomatoes. I have 2 cans of those. Alright, we're going to use that as well. I have some butter because I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter in my sauce as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take this over here. But I'm going to go ahead and start chopping this stuff up and then we get you guys going over there at the stove. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. This is how you want yours to look. Just like that guys. Got the garlic, the green bell pepper, and the red mini bell pepper. But if you don't have to use the red mini. That's what I had on deck for me. Okay, you can just buy your red bell pepper. All right, it does the same thing. All right, I did forget to tell you about these other ingredients over here. This is like some dry basil. This is some what is it, balsamic vinegar. That's what that is. I have a little red wine vinegar. And I have some garlic bread, so I'm going to use this truffle, Parmesan, black, and garlic seasoning right here. Alright, this stuff is off the chain. You don't need much of this either. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys over there. We're going to go ahead and start cooking this up. Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start incorporating this stuff over here. Cooking this on medium. I like my vegetable, reason why I saute them, I like my vegetables to cook with my meat. It makes a big difference, trust me when I tell you. And I like chunky meat. I don't like little thin meat. I like my meat to be kind of chunky. So yeah, this is all we're going to do. Just like that guys. I'm gonna put this lid on here and let it kind of cook down. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it starts getting brown in a minute. Okay, I'm finna strain this. Get this fat out of there. Okay. Now, what I like to do, take some of this balsamic vinegar, put like a little bit in there, 2 tablespoons worth. Mix that in there. Then I got this spaghetti seasoning pack. You need like a cup and 3/4 of water. You gotta mix that up. You're gonna pour that into here, just like so. While it's doing that, take my tomato, diced tomatoes, or stewed tomatoes. My tomato paste, my tomato sauce. Tablespoon of butter. Kind of like mix this up. And we're gonna let this cook, guys, for about good 20 minutes. That's another thing I want to add in there, if I can get to it, is like a teaspoon of sugar. So excuse me, I'm in you guys' way. I'm gonna add me a teaspoon of sugar. Just like so. Then we're gonna come in our basil. Tablespoon of that. And we're just gonna let this cook down, guys. I want to use my red wine vinegar. So it's like a 1/4 cup, or like 4 tablespoons. All right. Yes, sir. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this every 10 minutes to about 20 minutes, so it'll be twice. So I'm just gonna let this cook without the lid on it. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, I got my hot water boiling over here. Just gonna come in with some olive oil in here, like 2 tablespoons of that. Need some salt, just like so. Give that a stir. Then I'm gonna take my spaghetti. Now some people like their spaghetti long. I don't like mine long. I like mine broken in half. So that's what I'm gonna do on mine. If you like yours long, go right ahead and do so. Now drop it just like that. right. Stir that up. All right. And I'm gonna let this cook till it get al dente. So that shouldn't take no more than about 10 minutes. That's on medium high. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, been about 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, it's reduced. And I'm gonna just let this sit about 15 minutes with the stove off. And let them seasons come together. I strain my spaghetti right here. And I put some oil on it, some olive oil on it, and a little salt. All right. We're just gonna let this sit about 15 minutes, guys. Then I'll show you how it looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with the product. This is my spaghetti. This is how I make my spaghetti. Nobody else's. And meat sauce. Okay? So this is how it looks. And sometimes I do mix my spaghetti. I just like it like this a little bit better. If you guys can see that. Got some garlic bread right there. All right. Take a picture. No. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I load another delicious recipe. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out. Enjoy.